In this video, I will show you how to play Saint Seiya EX on PC. Saint Seiya EX is a card game which has been developed by eFun Game Limited, and although it's an Android game, it's absolutely possible to play this on your PC or your Mac using something called the BlueStacks app player. Now the BlueStacks app player is an Android emulator, so it does allow you to play different Android games on your PC or Mac. To get started, if you come to the video description down below this video, you're going to see a link to click. Give that link a click and that's going to take you to the official website, which is going to look like this. Now on this website you'll see a button which says Paint Saint Seiya EX on PC. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is download the BlueStacks app player onto your PC. Now once that's downloaded, give it a click, and then what you can do is run through the steps to download and install BlueStacks on your PC. Once that's done, click the blue launch button. As you can see, that's going to load up BlueStacks, and as long as you've clicked that link in the description, it's going to take you directly to the download page for Saint Seiya EX. From here, you're going to see a button to install from Google Play, so go ahead and give that a click. And what that's going to do is take you to the app page, which looks like this. Now from here, click the blue install button, and what that's going to do is start downloading and installing the game, so you'll be able to play that using BlueStacks on your PC or Mac. Now just while that is downloading, I just want to run through some reasons why I personally love BlueStacks and why you should consider it to play Android games on your PC or Mac. So there's a number of really great reasons why you would want to consider using BlueStacks. Now myself personally, I just want to start and talk about game controls. Playing with BlueStacks on your PC or Mac enables you to use a keyboard and mouse, and there is actually gamepad support for a lot of games as well. The controls are already preset, good to go, but you can of course customize them to your personal preferences. Personally, I find this makes the game more immersive, and personally I really do not like touch screens to play games, so of course playing on PC and having the ability to use your keyboard and mouse is a complete game changer. Now another really cool feature that I want to talk to you guys about is the built-in macro feature, which allows you to record and replay actions with a single key press. So where you play certain games and you have those monotonous tasks of dragging and dropping and constantly clicking, you can now program that to all be done with a single key press on your keyboard. So this does speed up gameplay and it just makes it a lot more better. There is an eco mode built in which allows you to optimize your PC usage when running multiple instances, and another thing I really love is the built-in real-time translation feature. Now what this allows you to do is play any Android game in your local language, so if there's games you've been wanting to play but you've not been able to do that because of language barrier reasons, well now you can. It's absolutely possible because BlueStacks is going to take that game and put it into your local language. Of course, naturally playing on a PC is going to give you a higher frame rate, leading to a much smoother and better gameplay experience, and you can play all your favourite Android games in full HD. So that's a couple of reasons why I personally love BlueStacks, but as you can see, there's a number of really cool things about BlueStacks, and why I would recommend BlueStacks to play Android games on your PC or Mac. Coming back to BlueStacks, as you can see, Saint Seiya EX is now downloaded and installed. So at this point, just click onto the blue play button, and what it's going to do is launch this on BlueStacks. So what I'm going to do is just jump into the game to show you how this plays. Here we are, let's click onto play and jump into the game itself. Now you can see from the initial animations that the game is running very smooth, there's no lag, and the screen is actually very sharp. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and see if I can skip past this cutscene a minute. So I'm just going to speed through this, which is another really cool thing actually with cutscenes. If you just hold down your left mouse button, as you can see, you can speed it up and just skip through the cutscenes. Here we are in the game itself, and as you can see, the gameplay is running absolutely brilliant. So you can see we've got our on-screen controls, so WASD to move around, and then we got some numbers down here which we can use to control the game. But you can see straight off the bat, everything is running absolutely amazing. The gameplay, the animation, everything is so sharp and smooth, and it just plays really well. So that's how to play Saint Seiya EX on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.